In the early 1840s, an outspoken German scientist purchased a cart and a horse loaded with the paper necessary to pack his plants and sallied forth into the Texas wilderness. He was armed with a rifle and no other companions other than his trusty hunting dogs. Once in New Braunfels, he busied himself collecting and cataloging nearly 100,000 specimens of native Texas plants. His pioneering spirit earned Ferdinand LINDHEIMER the title, the father of Texas botany. His collections can still be found in more than 20 institutions across the globe, including the British Museum in Paris. In fact, modern-day drought-resistant xeriscaping utilizes an abundance of Texas flora named after LINDHEIMER. A newspaper man should be a number of sorts of beings, but above all, a tribune of people, one who fearlessly seeks to watch out for the rights of his fellow citizens. Possessing a strong classical education, LINDHEIMER went on to become the first editor of the New Braunfels Zeitung, the second oldest paper in Texas, which was still printed in German until 1957. His attention to detail and legacy for recording early New Braunfels laid the foundation for the vast collection of documents and images we can still enjoy today, much of which can be found at the LINDHEIMER, his home, which was restored and converted into a museum, as well as the Sophienberg Museum. An editorial dated December 9, 1853, LINDHEIMER wrote, "Friends and fellow citizens, Texas is a land where we have found new homes, freedom, liberty, and a high esteem for our nationality as probably no other state in the Union. Texas forever."